in the vast expanse where stars reside. A telescope so revered, it came to stride. Hubble, a lens to the cosmic expanse, unveiling wonders through its enduring dance. Controversy cloaked its nascent birth, a troubled path that obscured its worth. For the cost it carried, a weight so grand, voices rose, questioning across the land. The mirror, a flaw, a blemish untold, distorted visions, a tale yet unfold. But amid the darkness that lingered there, a glimmer of hope, a chance to repair. NASA, undeterred by the daunting plight, embarked on a mission to set things right. A shuttle's voyage, a delicate chore, to mend the mirror and grant it more. Not once, but twice, the hands of repair eased Hubble's burdens, its scars laid bare. With each mending touch, a cosmic art, a testament to human skill and heart. Through Hubble's gaze, a universe unveiled, a tapestry of secrets no longer veiled. Stunning images, like celestial dreams, transcending boundaries, igniting gleams. Galaxies spiral, nebulas dance, planets moon in celestial romance. Mysteries unmasked through time and space, a panorama of wonders we embrace. Nebulae ablaze in vibrant hues, birthplaces of stars in ethereal cues. Black holes lurking, their voracious might, bending light, distorting our sight. Pillars of creation, majestic and grand. Birthed in cosmic clouds where galaxies expand. Supermassive cores, a captivating sight, shrouded in darkness, yet burning bright. Exoplanets, hidden in distant skies, worlds untamed, where life may arise. Orbiting alien suns, a cosmic ballet, Hubble's lens, capturing their fleeting display. From the depths of the past to the edge of time, Hubble's gaze pierces the veil sublime, revealing the birth and death of stars, unveiling the cosmos's majestic memoirs. Through trials and triumphs, Hubble arose, an emblem of human spirit that grows. NASA's legacy, restored with each view, in Hubble's lens, our dreams anew. So let us celebrate the wonders it found. From troubled beginnings, its brilliance profound. For Hubble, a testament, a vision reborn, a beacon of discovery, forever adorned.